acknowledge the effort of our Civic Run Leg 1 2025. The race organizer, Coach Bert Castillo, our race director. A health-conscious, ang napakasipag, napakabait at napakagwapong Mayor, Alcalde ng Bayan ng Subic, Honorable Mayor Jonathan. This is host Eugene. You can have me on birthdays, fiesta. Free bottled water, hatid naman sa inyo ng Asian. Ayan, once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Every category is 3 winners sa ating men's division and 3 winners.
Ay, yung lapit oh. Ano? Makita malilim, sir.